Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by gathering your tools: a fine mesh hairnet, 2 4 bobby pins, a small elastic, and light hairspray. Start with hair that's slightly damp or fully dry so the net grips. This matters because moisture changes tension. Once ready, comb hair forward and gather it into a low, compact shape at the nape or crown, depending on your style. Make sure to smooth edges. Use a toothbrush or finger to flatten small flyaways, so the net will lay cleanly and evenly. You place the net over your compacted hair, stretching gently from forehead to nape to ensure even coverage and avoid gaps. This distributes tension so nothing slips. Next, fold any excess mesh under the gathered hair and press it flat against the scalp. Then anchor at least 2 bobby pins at each side and 1 at the back for stability. Make sure pins hook both hair and net. Once pinned, mist lightly with hairspray to set. Heavy spray can cause stiffness and reduce comfort. You finish by testing stability. Shake your head gently and walk around to confirm the net holds. If you feel movement, add a pin where the net lifts and press the mesh flat. This prevents rubbing and snagging. For any visible bumps, slide a fine-tooth comb under the net to redistribute small sections and smooth the silhouette. If the net tears or stretches out, replace it or use a small elastic inside the net for extra tension.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.